Hello, Professor. This is our Python code to encrypt our message. Here, first of all, we have this first part where we have the libraries that we're going to use it. We're going to use the DES module. It has all the functions that we need for our encryption. For example, we need the key generation from 64 key size to 16 keys with the size of 48 bits. We need the expand function, so our half input, which is 32 bits, can match the 48 bit. This is the size of the key. We need the S boxes, the XOR function, the permutation and substitution tables. And we need also the pad and the unpad modules, because sometimes the blocks of the message, the last block, it doesn't match the size of the key. Also, we need the base64 library. We're gonna use it to convert from text to binary and the inverse and vice versa. We have the encryption function. First, we create a variable. We call it here a cipher. It's the type of this variable is DES. It has two inputs, the key and the method that it's going to use, and the method of operation. Here we choose the ECB. We're going to encrypt each block individually. Maybe we can take any other method. After that, we're going to take our plain text and we're going to divide it into blocks of 64 bits, and we're going to add some extra bits, so it's going to match the size of the keys here, and we're going to use the method encode to convert from strings to binary. And here we have the ciphertext. We're going to call for the variable and use the function encrypt, and we're going to add the pad text, which is our plain text converted. And we're going to return our ciphertext, encoded of course from binary to strings, and using this ASCII code. And for the decryption, we have here our ciphertext. We're going to convert it from text to binary, and after that we're going to create another variable, so it has the key that we used before and the method of operation. We're gonna call for the function here decrypt, and we're gonna put our ciphertext. So in the return, we're gonna unpad to remove the added bits, and to convert from our ciphertext to our message. And here, in our case, we use this key, which is my ID number, as a key. We're gonna encode it into binary, and this is our message, our plain text. We're gonna execute this code. After that, here is our plain text, and here is our encrypted message. Thank you.